5 Best Monitor for Programming and Coding Review. Hi guys, welcome to Best Gaming Monitor YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to checking out 5 best monitor for programming and coding you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. We listed them based on quality, durability, features, price and more. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Professional programmers understand the benefits of having the best monitor for programming. The best monitor for programming and coding should be large, high resolution and have features that allow for effective multitasking. For programmers and coders that may need to consult large amounts of data at a time and have numerous spreadsheets or pages open, bigger is better. Number 5. Dell P4317Q. Screen size 43 inches, resolution 3840 by 2160, refresh rate 60 Hz, panel technology IPS, inputs 1 by DisplayPort, 1 by HDMI, 1 by mini DisplayPort. Sometimes having multiple monitor isn't all that great, especially if you don't have a lot of task space to work with. The P4317Q from Dell solved the problem with its massive 43 inches display that can display up to 4 separate 1920 by 1080 resolution screens or from a single 4K source. Dell's Display Manager software makes tasks like swapping inputs, zooming in on any of one of them and resizing to rearranging them on the screen easy. This monitor is best for programming and coding. Dimensions: with a stand 25.90 H by 38.31 W by 9.84 D. Without a stand 22.29 H by 38.31 W by 3.27 D. View super crisp text and graphs on an expensive 43 screen in Ultra HD 4K or Full HD resolution, one with no bezel breaks. Experience comfortable viewing with a high performance monitor, scaler and matte screen. Simplify monitor purchasing, deployment and maintenance with one large versus 4 independent monitors. Enjoy working with consistent colors across an ultra-wide viewing angle. Number 4. Dell S2721QS. Size 27, resolution 3840 by 2160, max refresh rate 60 Hz, pixel type IPS, variable refresh rate FreeSync. The best monitor for programming we have tested is the Dell S2721QS. It's a simple 27-inch 4K monitor that displays text with exceptional clarity and has enough gaming chops to satisfy most casual gamers. It allows for a good amount of ergonomic adjustment and it has a wide viewing angles, make it easy to share your work with colleagues. It handles reflections well and get bright enough to combat glare. This monitor is best for programming and coding. With its 27-inch screen and high resolution, it provides plenty of space for you to work with multiple windows open side by side. It has even a picture-by-picture mode that lets you display images from 2 input sources at once, which can be useful for those working on 2 computers. It has a low input lag, a fast response time, and it supports FreeSync variable refresh rate to minimize screen tearing when gaming. It has a pair of integrated speakers if you don't have any dedicated ones, and the backlight is entirely flicker-free, which helps reduce eye strain on those long work days. Overall, it's a simple and affordable monitor that should satisfy most people, and it's the best monitor for developers we have tested. Number 3. Asus PB287Q. Screen size 28 inches, resolution 4K UHD, aspect ratio 16:9, panel technologies twisted pneumatic TN, refresh rate 60 Hz, response time 1 ms, contrast ratio 1001, brightness 330 CD by M2, built-in speakers yes 2 by 2 WRMS. The Asus PB287Q is a professional monitor with a simple design perfect for any workplace. We find it to be a great choice for those looking for the best monitor for programming or gaming. Why do we see this? Well, the PB287Q model combines superior performance and a professional look. The Asus PB287Q sports a minimalist design which set it apart from the monitors of its era, which looks quite dated. The large screen is surrounded by reasonable bezels which are not imposing enough to be distractions. The 28-inch screens make it great choice for programmers and gamers, but this is not all. The Asus monitor boasts an incredible 3840 by 2160 2160 display that gives clear image and crisp text. With a response time of 1 ms and a refresh rate of 60 Hz, the PB287Q 4K display monitor truly outranks other gaming monitors on the market. The picture-by-picture and picture-in-picture modes of the monitor help boost your productivity by letting you display content from multiple sources on the screen simultaneously, theoretically saving you from having to shift your gaze between multiple monitors. If graphics quality is top on your list, then the Asus PB287Q is a monitor that you want to take home. When it comes to physical dimensions, we find this monitor to be on the thicker side as compared to other models on the market. Another great feature that programmers will find convenient is the ergonomic stand. While being a bit large of our taste, it gives you the flexibility to put the screen in the perfect position for viewing. Number 2. BenQ 709PD3200U 32 inches. Screen size 32, aspect ratio 16:9, display colors 1.07 billion colors, display screen coating anti-glare, panel type IPS backlight technology LED backlight, resolution max 3840 by 2160, viewing angle L/R CR10 178 by 178, response time GTG4, refresh rate 60, HDCB 2.2, AMA yes, PPI 138. Programming isn't always the flashiest undertaking, but if you can spare more frills, the BenQ PD3200U lets you code in style. It's a 32-inch 4K monitor built for creative professionals, ideal if your work involves front-end graphics and design. This display has been factory calibrated for higher accurate color reproduction and wide coverage of professional color spaces. A hotkey puck integrated into the stand lets you quickly switch between dedicated display modes for animation, image processing, and CAD/CAM work. The BenQ PD3200U is a well-equipped 32-inch display that delivers very good color, crisp scale and viewing angle performance, as well as a highly detailed UHD picture. And it has many smart design features for extended screen work. An anti-glare finish, blue light filters, and flicker-free technology help keep your eyes comfortable and healthy. The stand allows for a full range of tilt, swivel, and height adjustment with a 90-degree pivot that the display automatically senses and adjusted content for. The monitor software can also divide the display into a variety of split screens configurations. Number 1. Alienware AW3418DW QHD monitor. Screen size 34, resolution 3440 by 1440, max refresh rate 120 Hz, pixel type IPS, variable refresh rate chasing. The Alienware AW3418DW monitor houses a 34 inches, 86 cm curved 1.9mm 1900R radius widescreen IPS panel with a crisp 3440 by 1440 px QWQHD definition and native 100 Hz refresh rate. According to the manufacturer, it features a response time of 4 ms with a contrast ratio of 1001, luminosity of 300 CD by M2, as well as 99% coverage of the sRGB's color space. The Alienware AW3418DW offers a well-designed appearance. The design is relatively sober and only the height of the monitor is adjustable by 13 cm and its inclination is adjustable from -5 to +25. The monitor can be turned through +20 with a swivel joint. In contrast, the monitor is not equipped with a swivel mechanism to switch to portrait mode, which is however not essential for a widescreen monitor, particularly if the monitor is curved. The new IPS nanocolor technology enables you to enjoy colors that are designed by content creators with 98 DCI P3 color coverage. It's a professional color spectrum with a wider range than sRGB, a rear response time of 2 ms from gray to gray with overdrive, and a frame rate of 120 Hz allows a fast response gaming experience with no tricks. A 120 Hz frame rate is designed to match the rate of action so you can experience each and every moment you play in the game. With the NVIDIA chasing technology, full frames are only displayed if the monitor is ready to display them. As a result, the frames on your screen remain in sync with your NVIDIA graphics card, helping you eliminate skew, including gaps and distortion, so you can enjoy vivid, crisp images. The WQHD display has a resolution of 3440 by 1440 that displays displays crystal clear graphics with a total of 4.9 million pixels, which is 1.79 times higher than a WFHD display. Best monitor for programming and coding. Professional programmers understand the benefits of having the best monitor for programming. A super monitor setup could cause headaches, eye irritation, or the occasional bout of frustration. Handling complex projects are easier when you use a monitor well suited to the task at hand. It's not easy finding monitors specifically designed for programming. Professional programmers found that most gaming monitors work well for programming because of their specifications.